Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I realize on my YouTube channel here it's been a while since I've done a video, and I've had other issues and other things going. Ain't had time for no YouTube, but I've done several videos on this area right here of the Boulder River and south central Montana. And this Boulder River, the main fork of the Boulder River, is approximately, where I'm at right here, is approximately 25 miles south of the town of Big Timber. And Big Timber is right outside of Livingston on I-90. But I wanted to show you exactly why that they call this area the Natural Bridge, because you got the Boulder River that's flowing along, and it goes right through a big wall of limestone, and there's a natural bridge that's formed above it, and that's all there is to it. And the waterfall is shooting out the other side, and I've hiked over here. It's not very far to get around here on the other side, and so I'll give you a look-see here. Okay, this is the natural bridge area of central Montana. Water's quite loud down there. As you can see, water's coming out of the sandstone wall, or the bridge, if you will. And my wife just got done asking me what cubic feet, per second that flow is, and I'm guessing it at about 2,500 cubic feet a second. Okay, and there's the very top. You're right in the middle of the screen, right there. You're looking at the natural bridge. Okay, so if you make a trip up to Montana, this is what you're going to see, more or less. And wait into the summer months too, so this flow goes down, but it makes a nice little pool down there. Okay, and I'm sitting right on the edge. There's my tennis shoe right there, but that's about 200 feet down there. Definitely a place you don't want to fall off. And so that's all there is to it. And over here on the other side, on the west side, like right there in the middle of your screen, is some observation posts where you can look out, but you don't get a good view of these falls until you come around on the east side. Okay, that's all there is to it. And there's another one, another observation post right there. And that wall right there is about 100, 125 feet tall. And let me see what we got over here. There's another observation post right there. And of course, that's on the same side of the river that the parking lot's on. This is a state park, by the way. It's called Montana Natural Bridge State Park. Okay. Pretty nice area, real nice place to come. It's no camping here. The only thing you can do is have a picnic and get gone. And yes, this is bear country, but I'm up here with my family, and it's not, this gets hit with enough tourists and enough visitors where I don't think the bears are really that big of a problem in this area, but I was thinking about humping down there, walking down there, but I thought, oh, why do that? I don't need to do that when I can zoom in with my iPhone here and give you guys a good look at the Natural Bridge Park, the Natural Bridge waterway, if you will, of the Boulder River. You got the east fork of the Boulder River and the west fork. This area right here is the main fork of the Boulder River. And I have done several other videos on this, but I decided to do a better one by humping up over on this other side so I could get a better recording. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Like I say, I haven't been doing any YouTube videos lately. Been busy with house chores and summer gas and relatives and different things like this. Thank you very much for watching the video. Hope you liked what you've seen, and we'll see you on down the trail.